Good evening friends, my name is Mahatawala. Today I am going to explain the experiment of set and joins. Here is already I completed the experiment in SQL database. So I am going to explain the queries. Okay. Here first question about the question I have already cleared the table from earlier experiment, and I am going to perform the experiment on this table. So here the question is display the product that was ordered and delivered, that is union. We have two tables. In that table one column is ordered, we have two tables, one column is product and another table column is supplier. We have to add two or three tables, and that in one table here you can see that one table is product, another table is supplier. Supplier has the ID for deliver, and product or the ID for the order. In product table the ordered column is present, and in supplier table the delivered column is present. So so the query will be select strict will select all the ordered product, and from product 357 whichever product will ordered from that table, and it will where product ID in means it will select all the order, and select product ID from product union. It will union between product 357 and product ID supplier 357. Here you can see the result. The another question is display details of product that are yet to be delivered. Same question we have to here we have to do add another one. In place of union we have to add minus. It means we have to check whichever product is not delivered, we have to show that. Here list the name of customers who has placed the order on after 10 October. Here we have to say that whoever the place order, which customer. In that we have a customer table. From customer table we took customer ID, which is customer ID will be another table, that is order table. That is a relation between customer table and order table. Customer ID, so the relation between customer table and order table. And here it will first execute this query. Select customer ID from order 357 where order date is ordered. It will first select the customer ID from order table whoever ordered that product after 9 October. After that it will execute this query. Select customer name from customer 357 where customer ID, the customer ID selected from order table, it will now come to this table. It will select the name from that customer table. Here another question, display the details of product that are delivered within 10 days. It will show that the product that are delivered within 10 days. The query will select months between is inbuilt function in SQL. Select month between, select s date from is the supplier table, and where product ID select order date from it. Nothing. Display the details of the customer who has received their product. We have to show the details of customer who has received the product. That is select customer name from customer 357 where customer ID in. Select customer ID from 357 where order ID in. Select order ID from the order line 357 where product ID. Select product ID from supplier 357. Here total here four queries there. First it will execute this query. Select product ID from, it will select the product ID from supplier 357. Now it will go to the another table, that is order line. In order line product ID is already present. From there it will select order ID. After that it will go to the order table where the order ID is already present. It will execute this query. After that it will go to the customer table where customer ID is present. Display details of the product whose quantity is greater than 10. Here it is simple. You have to select the product quantity whose quantity is greater than 10. So select asterisk from product 357 where quantity greater than 10, order by order date. Here the question, display the details of order ID with order date and customer name. You have to do inner join. Inner join means it will select when we do inner join, it will select all the data from the table. So select customer name order 357 dot customer id. It will become, it will, all inner join can be performed between two or more than two tables, and it will, when any match any match is getting, it will select the data in inner join. Here display details of the product that have been ordered and also the details of delivered product. Use left order. In left order join, it will select the matching data only from left column. If any data is matching from right column, it will leave it. Display details about customer as well as the order details. Full order join. Full order join means it will select all the data from the table, either it is left table or right table. And display details of the supplier who has supplied office desk. Here it is saying the display details of the supplier who has supplied office desk. That is select asterisk from supplier with product id, select product id from supplier with product description. Thank you.